All right. So I've got C is less than 5. Alex, is my circle going to be open or closed? Why do you say closed?
Because it's not greater than or equal to, it's just greater.
Okay, so when is C a possible answer? Could I have C as an answer? Right, open circle. So, open circle. Is my line going to go to the left or to the right? So the way I keep myself straight is I look at C, right? I'm going to take out the C and I'm going to put in a 4. Is 4 less than 5? Yes. Is 6 less than 5? No. So which way is my line going to go? Ernesto. To the left.
To the left.
To the left. Right. To the left. To the left. To the left. To the left. Okay. So, and this right here, believe it or not, I know that you think this is a small thing, but this, without this arrow colored in at the end, without this arrow colored in, the answer is wrong. And the reason why the answer is wrong is because this, when you color in the arrow, indicates that the line goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. I could put negative 400,000,075 in there, and the answer would still be true. Does that make sense? Okay.
Yes.
So, for number 2, what are we trying to get by itself, Avon? What are we trying to get by itself? What are we trying to get by itself? In that?
8.
What's the letter?
8.
T, you mean? T.
T.
Number 2.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing.
Number 2. T. Right? We're trying to get T by itself. What is happening to our T at the moment? Kayla?
Our T is being added to 4.
Right. So what is the opposite of adding?
Subtracting.
Subtracting. So we're going to take away 4 from this side, and that's it, right? That's it.
No.
What do you mean no?
On one side, you have to
Oh, so I'm going to take 4 away from this side. Is my answer over here going to be positive or negative, Gwen?
Negative.
Negative. Why is it going to be negative?
Because it's negative 1.
That's right. You're adding negatives, right? Okay. So if I have 4 and I take away 4, I'm going to get 0. That leaves my T by itself. I'm going to keep my sign for now, and I'm going to get a negative 5 over here. Is my circle going to be open or closed, Connor?
Close.
Close.
Open.
Open.
Why do you say open?
Because everyone's open. Open door. Oh, okay.
Is my circle going to be open or closed?
Closed.
Why do you say closed?
Because it's facing the T.
Well, no, you're just looking at whether it has a greater than, less than,
Oh, it's
or
going
greater
to be
than.
closed because it has a negative.
Okay, is negative 5 one of my answers? Could I have negative 5 as an answer?
Circle it.
Is negative 5, listen to what I'm saying, is negative 5 ever going to be greater than negative 5? No, it's going to be equal, right? So it can't be one of my answers. I'm going to put an open circle because it can never be one of my answers, okay? Is my line going to go to the right or to the left? Zoe, is my line going to go to the left or the right? Why do you say to the left? Is negative 4 greater than negative 5? Yes. Is negative 6 greater than negative 5? No. So what this says is T is greater than negative 5. So my line's going to go to the right.
Hey, I got it right.
Okay. Next one. Oh my God, there's a fraction. Now I'm going to freak out. Oh my God, I'm going to freak out because there's a fraction.
I don't think I can fix that.
What are we trying to get by itself, Ben?
Well, I know you're going to be trying to get R by itself, but I know how to do it.
I know you're doing what you're doing. Oh, we're going to do this one step at a time. We're trying to get the R by itself. Alex, what's happening to the R right now?
Let's see what?
What's happening to the R right now?
It's greater than 5.
Well, what's happening to the R?
It's getting divided by 2.
Divided by 2. So what's the opposite of dividing?
Multiplication.
Right. So I'm going to multiply by 2. 2R over 2 is going to give me 1R. That's going to be greater than. 5 times 2 is 10. Is my circle going to be open or closed? Daniel.
Open.
Open, that's right. I'm going to put an open circle on 10. R is greater than 10. Is my my line gonna go to the left or the right?
Right.
To the right. Got it. Make sure you color in this arrow at the end because otherwise it's wrong. Goes on forever. For number 4.
Whoever invented math made a lot of mistakes.
Yeah. What are we trying to get? Shh. What are we trying to get by itself in number 4? Alan.
It is the variable, which is W.
W, right. We're trying to get W by itself. What is happening to the W right now, Nate? What's happening to the W right now?
Multiply.
By 3. So what do we do that's opposite of multiply?
You
Divide.
didn't have to tell me that.
Divide by what?
Not have to.
Divide by what?
3.
That's right. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We're going to keep our sign for now. Negative 3 divided by positive 3. Is my answer going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
Quentin. Negative. Negative what?
1.
Negative 1. All right, so is my circle going to be open or closed? Kelly, is my circle going to be open or closed? Why do you say it's closed? Is negative 1, could negative 1 be one of my answers?
Yes.
Can you say negative 1 is less than negative 1? No. So our circle is going to be open. Okay? If it could be one of the answers, your circle is going to be closed. So which way is my line going to go, Ernesto? To the left or to the right?
To the left.
To the left.
To the left. To the left.
Got it? Ah, dang. What are we trying to get by itself? P. And what's happening to the P right now? Multiply by what? 2. So what's the opposite of multiplication, Alyssa? Division. We're going to divide by
2.
2. Let's do it. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have 1P. We're going to keep our signs for now. Greater than or equal to. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Is my circle going to be open or closed, Megan? Closed. All right, so I'm going to close in my circle. All right. Could 2 be one of my answers? Is 2 greater than or equal to 3? 2 is greater than or equal to 3? No. Is 4 greater than or equal to 4?
Yes.
Okay, so which way is my line going to go?
Right.
To the right.
To the right. To the right.
To the right, to the right. All right. What are we trying to get by itself over here? Avon, what are we trying to get by itself? V. What's happening to the V right now? Subtracted from, yeah, you're taking 4 from it. So what's the opposite of subtraction? Addition. We're going to add 4 to this side and add 4 to this side. Negative 4 plus 4 is going to give me 0. Gives me the V by itself. Okay? It's going to be less than or equal to. We're going to keep our signs for now. 3 plus 4 is 7. Is my circle going to be open or closed? Closed. Is my arrow going to go to the left or to the right?
To the left.
To the left. Very good, Connor. You got this. You got this.
Good job, Pepe.
All right, can I show you something a little tricky? All right. See this less than sign? If I turn this less than side into an arrow, which way is my arrow pointing? If I take this sign and I make an arrow out of it, which way is it pointing? To the right.
That's some cheat.
Pepe knew that.
If I
Yeah, right.
if I take this symbol and make an arrow out of it, which way is it pointing?
That way. To the right.
Isn't it always if the less than and greater than, they're always open, and then the less than or equal to, they're
You're-
open.
You're right, sir. You are not just a pretty face. That's right. If you see this, if you see this equals 2 sign underneath there, you're gonna put a solid dot. You're gonna color in your dot. Okay. All right. So, now, how are we feeling? On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being I have no idea what you're talking about, and 5 being I got this, how are we feeling? I love that answer, Connor. Love it.
Joey.
All right, love it. 1 means I have no idea what you're talking about, and 5 means I got this. All right. So, flip that over. I'm going to ask you to do 1 through 8. I am coming around to help. Just 1 through 8. Just 1 through 8. I'm coming around to help you.